Hello and welcome to KOI GTRC. The first run granted us a speed of 19 miles per hour. For the second run, our mechanic is going to upgrade the transmission. We have high-speed gear set, aluminium motor mount, 29 teeth pinion and 64 teeth spur gear. Okay, he managed to remove the old parts. The new parts, with a 29:64 ratio, look at that Tamiya blue. Oh, you have to pay attention on screws location in order to attach the motor. Time to install the upgraded section. And it's done! Let's see the speed improvement. And that's 26 miles per hour, 7 miles per hour better. Ratio-wise, we're at factory limit, so next time, a better motor and speed controller will be installed. Stay tuned, and thanks for watching.